Have you ever struggled with setting up Amazon Prime Video on your smart TV? Maybe you've tried everything, but you're still stuck. Don't worry, you're not alone. I'm here to help, and in this video, I'm going to show you 5 simple steps to get Prime Video on your TV. So first, you're going to make sure that your smart TV is connected to the internet. Without the internet, Prime Video will not work. Next, you're going to go to your TV's app store and search for Amazon Prime Video. Now, once you find it, you're going to click Install. After that, open the app and sign in with your Amazon account. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily create one in minutes. Now, if your TV doesn't support Prime Video, don't panic. You can use a device like a Fire Stick or Chromecast to stream Prime Video. Simply plug it into your TV and follow the easy setup instructions. Now you're all set to watch movies, TV shows, and more. That's pretty much it. It's as simple as that. And if you found this video helpful, please like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for being here. Love you. Ciao.